Another common thing that I see that I would recommend students do is that you have space for an optional essay in most of your applications, especially in our application. Make use of that space. I've been on admissions for about 10 or so years, and I always tell students, even when I was working at the undergraduate level, the optional essay shouldn't be optional. You should make the best use of that space in order to explain anything that an admissions officer might question. So maybe you have a gap in your resume of a couple months. You were job searching. Let me know that. Let me know what you were doing during that time. Maybe you had a rough transition from your first year to your second year in undergrad. What happened? Give me a quick explanation of what happened. Maybe you're looking at making a huge pivot in your career, and that 2-minute video essay just doesn't quite cover it. You can continue to explain some things or your motivation for wanting to do this career in your optional essay. You never want the admissions officer who's reading your application to start guessing, because we're going to fill in those blanks with what's going on in our own head. You want to control the narrative. You want to control the story.
This is so important. Thank you for explaining it in details, because I don't think a lot of students think about optional essays so importantly. Like they don't consider it as a priority, and a lot of them skip it. So getting to know things from your perspective really helps and adds more value to the applications. All the students who will be watching this video will learn a lot from the insights that you've shared with us.
I hope so.
Yeah, definitely will, I'm sure.